Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Burke with Focus Physical Therapy, and on today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite shoulder exercises. Coming right up. So if you're having shoulder pain, exercising your shoulders is one of the tools that can help remodel those soft tissues, stabilize your shoulder to prevent the kind of shearing or strain that might be responsible for your pain, and also help you recover if you've had surgery or an injection to your shoulder. So there are lots of good reasons to do exercises. As always, be safe, make sure that you're not making a problem worse and that you have a good diagnosis before you try these. But if exercise has been prescribed for you, or if you've experimented and it seems to be fine for you, check out these exercises. They're some of my favorites. A few of these exercises are specifically for your rotator cuff, the muscles that stabilize your humeral head against your glenoid of your scapula here. And then the other type are going to be scapular stability exercises. And both types of exercises work together to make sure that your shoulder joint itself is stable and that your shoulder blade has the strength and control to move your arm wherever you need to move it. I'm here at the stall bar or ladder bar. This is a great piece of equipment. If you don't have one of these at home, you can basically tie a knot in the end of a sport cord or band and then anchor that in a door, close the door on the end of it. You can also bolt some eye bolts or hooks into a 2x4 and have that attached to your wall. You can also secure this around a good piece of furniture, like I demonstrated in one of my previous videos on scapular stability. So because I have the ladder bar, I have a loop tied in my band, and I'm just going to thread that through right about elbow height. So here I have my attachment. I'm going to take up some of the slack with my arm against my body. I'm just going to pull in. This is shoulder internal rotation. I like to hold that for a few seconds to really activate that muscle. And then I'm going to flip around and do the same thing to the outside. The whole time I'm working to keep my shoulder blade in a good neutral position. I am not overly exaggerating pulling my shoulder back. That's not necessary or helpful. At the same time, I don't want to be totally rounded when I'm doing this. So if you're not sure where that is, circle your shoulders a few times, shrug them up, let them drop, and then find that position where they just fall naturally. If you have some chronic tightness, they're going to want to round forward a bit, and that's an issue for another day, my friends. We'll tackle that in a different video. But for now, find that neutral shoulder position, elbow resting against your side, pull out, and then slowly in. A lot of people will ask about hand position when we do this. The basic hand position that I'm going to recommend is just a neutral hand position with your thumb pointing towards the ceiling. You can bias that by flipping your palm up, and you can also change it by flipping your palm down, but neutral is going to cover our bases, and that we don't need to make it more complex than that. Next exercise we're going to do is for shoulder extension. It works the triceps and the lats. And I'm basically going to step back, grab the band, and then pull straight back. And as I pull back, I am going to wrap my shoulder blade backwards just a little bit, okay? So I've got the band, pull that back, and then there's shoulder extension with a straight hand. Next one we're going to do are for the deltoids. I'm going to take this and I'm going to step on it. And then holding this, leading with my thumb, I'm going to come straight up to about 90 degrees, just like that. Okay, next one, we're going to use the 1/4 inch power band. I'm going to loop this right about chest height. Take a hold of these two straps. I'm gonna pull this up and start to bring it overhead and back. Okay, it looks just like that. When I get to this point, I can press. That's pretty tough. Turn a little bit, press. But that is a great one that's more advanced. Last one we're gonna do is a press away. And I basically have my sport cord here, and I'm just gonna punch forward, and then back, punch forward and back, forward and back. Okay, folks, there you have it. Those are some of my favorite shoulder exercises. Incorporate these maybe 3 times a week into a program. Do a few sets to fatigue. Start with light resistance. These muscles are not big and they can get blasted pretty easily. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for coming. We'll see you next time.